Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Hopping straight into this hairstyle, you're gonna do a bust down mini part, okay? You're gonna have to bust all the way back to the kitchen. Yes, ma'am. Grab that lock-in gel, whatever gel you use, okay? I might have to switch the gel, maybe, because her hair be moisturized with some oil, and it be leaving a white cast. Y'all see it right there? But when it dries, it don't leave it, so does it matter? Who knows? But anyways, so this is what it's looking like. I told you to bust it down to the kitchen now. That's in the kitchen. Yes, ma'am. So then I went ahead and I just part her off her bangs. And so I'm going in that corner and I'm going to part diagonally down. So here I am prepping her hair for the braids. What is it? The braids. And so I'm just putting gel on the base of her hair. And I'm going to be combing that through, okay? Now, you want to start from the ends to the roots, okay? I kind of went from the roots to the ends. But, baby, her hair is moisturized and it's detangled before I started shooting this. So don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm talking about to the people on the back. Yes. People in the front, y'all already know. Anyway, so yeah, I just did both sides so that when we braid, you know, the base can be very nice and smooth. And so I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how I did this style. So stay tuned for the second method when I do that on the other side of her head. So now that I'm starting to braid her hair, I'm positioning my fingers to be on the side of her part so that the braid can go down along the side instead of like going down the middle. So then that first method is just going to be just regular braiding. You know how you grip the hair with the index finger to add some hair into the braid? It's the same thing, but we're only going to be gripping on one side. I did slow this down just because I know I cannot explain this. I am trying my best, y'all, but it's about to get slowed down here in a minute. Trust and believe. There it is. There it is. So I like to call this alligator grip. I don't know. If this is your first time cornrowing, this ain't a good tutorial for you. That's jokesies. Anyway, so here go my index finger. You gotta chomp. You gotta snatch that hair. That hair is yours. I call it the alligator grip. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So my camera don't want to see me win, so it just stopped recording. Thank you, son. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And so this is what it is looking like. Braided all the way down. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish this side off, and I'm going to check back in with y'all to show y'all the second method on the other side. On the other side. That's from Princess and the Frog. Y'all should know that. All right now. So on this side, I was very, very light with my grip because she has like baby hairs. So I didn't want to be like snatching them into the braid. So I just added a tiny bit more gel and I just smoothed that down just so everything could just blend. So here is the second method, y'all. If y'all ain't got that alligator grip, it's okay. Go ahead and grab that comb, pick that comb up, and you're going to be smoothing that hair, and then you're going to snatch it. Smooth snatch, just like that. I could not grip her hair on this side for the life of me, so I needed this part. So like again, we gonna smooth and snatch, just like that. We still kind of doing the alligator grip a little bit, but you know, we added a tool for a help. So now we're gonna rubber band the two braids together. Or them rubber bands. I don't know why I'm doing this so aggressive on that one little rubber band. I wanted to make sure that oil was on that rubber band. Do you hear me? So now we just gonna rubber band it. And then we're gonna fluff out the little puff, cause period poo. So I just went ahead off camera and braided out her two bangs. This was looking like, yeah. So now we're going to move on to the accessories. My favorite part, that is show y'all. But before we do that, all that baby scalp, we trying to grow some hair over here. Well, healthy hair. Healthy hair. I know that's very controversial in the Black community. Health over length. Anyways, y'all, this is the finished look. Yes. Oh my God, Miss, do y'all know her? Yes. Where did she go? Anyways, y'all, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video and this hairstyle, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, okay? I'd love for you to be part of the family. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.